Hey, what's up? Welcome everybody. In this video, I will teach you on how to add image and Photopea. I will teach you two ways of adding the image. First, you can go to your folder at the bottom corner of your screen. Look for pictures and you can select any pictures you want. You can drag and drop, and there you go. Alright, so I need to get back. Alright, so other way, you can go to your file, click open, look for pictures, scroll down, and select and open. There you go. So simple and easy. Hope you follow the process, and thank you so much for watching.